This $20 hard drive made my childhood dreams come true at just 18 years old. And if you want to be a full-time YouTuber making these beautiful films that pay you to travel the world with other creators, then this video will show you exactly how I did it and how you can too. Best part? You can make cinematics about whatever you're passionate about without worrying about buying expensive gear, niching down, or wasting years in film school. You know, for years I watched creators on YouTube living my dream, flying through tropical islands, making these unreal cinematic videos. I wanted that so bad, so I tried to do the same, but it took me 4 months of procrastination just to start my channel. When I finally did, I thought I would figure it out by just posting 100 videos, but that mindset didn't take me to Bali or Thailand. Instead, it kept me trapped in my dark room, grinding out videos that just barely hit 300 views. I was pouring weeks into each project, scripting, filming, editing, and no one was watching. I felt like I was locked in an invisible prison, stuck in one place, spending 8 hours a day doing what my teacher or boss told me to do, living life that was painfully average. And it wasn't until 2024 that everything changed. That's when I found a network of like-minded filmmakers, people chasing the same dream who actually got it. We began sharing techniques, brainstorming ideas, and pushing each other with various contests that quickly leveled up my skills to the level of the top players in the game. The $20 hard drive I mentioned in the beginning, it's what I bought to store all the insane cinematic shots that changed my life forever, took me to 50,000 subscribers and $5,000 per month doing what I love. I dropped the 9-to-5 path, quit the education system, got the car, the motorcycle, and most importantly, the freedom to travel the world. So if you want the same for yourself, here's the path you want to take. The first thing was learning how to actually make my videos look professional. Once I nailed the fundamentals, storytelling, filming, editing, that's when everything started to look cinematic. Then I focused on strategy, not just creating for fun, but understanding what makes a channel grow. And that's what got me from random uploads to tens of thousands of subscribers. Next was monetizing smart. I didn't take a single brand deal on this channel. Instead, I learned how to earn myself, and that's what allowed me to quit the education system and buy back my time. But the biggest shift? Finding a network of creators who are just as serious. The support, the feedback, the energy opened up doors to insane business opportunities, travels, and amazing memories. Professional quality, growth strategy, monetizing smart, and a supportive network. Those are the steps to become a cinematic YouTuber. So now you may be wondering, how do I actually make my videos look like those of the big YouTubers? How do I grow my channel without hundreds of videos? What do I even sell if I just make videos about whatever I'm passionate about? And where do I even find filmmakers like myself to stay accountable? You see, I've been getting questions like those for months now. Aspiring YouTubers from my audience asking for help. But the truth is, there is nothing I could send them. For cinematic YouTubers like us, there's never been no guides, no courses, no schools. We were left to figure it all out on our own. And after everything I've learned, the results I've gotten, and seeing my audience in need, I realized it was my ethical duty to change that. That's why, filling the gap with my own hands, I built the world's first Cinematic YouTubers Academy, a place to finally master YouTube filmmaking, grow your channel, and travel the world with like-minded creators. Now, hold on, because you probably expect this to cost a couple $100 or even $1,000. But I want to make this opportunity accessible to everybody, which is why you can get started for absolutely free. That's right, a 7-day free trial with a very small monthly fee afterwards that depends on when you're watching the video, because the price will increase the more members join, so the sooner you get in, the better the deal. Founding members also get a one-on-one coaching call with me right after joining, and access to monthly cinematic contests where you can win personal coaching, gear, and even money prizes. Sounds good already? Here's how we will turn you into a full-time cinematic YouTuber in practice. As soon as you join, you will get a free one-on-one call with me. We will get to know each other and I will personally help you with whatever you're working on at the moment. Next, you will unlock all of my signature filmmaking tools, the exact ones I use in my videos. Then you will start the Cinematic YouTube Masterclass, a step-by-step protocol released live, day by day, so you never feel overwhelmed or stuck. Along the way, you will join weekly calls with me and other members of the community to ask questions, get feedback, and stay on track with the community. And of course, we will host monthly contests and in-person events all around the world. Who is this academy for? Well, it's definitely not for soulless hustlers just looking for quick income. In fact, I don't even promise you're going to get rich, but what I do promise is that you're going to become a master of YouTube filmmaking, and that is a skill that can definitely make you rich. So if you've ever dreamed of becoming a full-time YouTuber, traveling the world while making beautiful cinematic videos, this is where you belong. You don't need expensive cameras, a beautiful room, or the perfect filmmaking setup. All you need is a phone, a laptop, and the drive to get better. This is for all the creators that care about the craft, and most importantly, freedom. Worst case, you join for a 7-day free trial, hop on a call with me, cancel without spending $1, and still walk away with massive value. But the best case, you master YouTube filmmaking, blow up your channel, start making money doing what you love, and travel the world with other creators like me. Make sure you save your spot as soon as possible because I won't be doing the one-on-one calls forever and the price may increase even an hour from now. So click the first link in the description, then a yellow button, and start your free trial in the Cinematic YouTubers Academy right now. I'll see you inside.